Hi everyone, this is Zakir and this is the first video in our module functions. In this module, we will be discussing all the types of functions and how to solve them with ease. Today, we will be looking into mapping diagrams and also the domain and range of functions. Consider the set A of elements -6, -1, 3 and 4. Now let's add 5 to the elements in A. So the elements will be -1, 4, 3, 8 and 9. Let's call this set B. This relationship between these two sets can be represented in a mapping diagram as follows. So -6 plus 5 would be -1, -1 plus 5 would be 4, 3 plus 5 would give us 8, and 4 plus 5 is 9. In this relationship, every element of set A is mapped to exactly one element of set B. So this type of mapping is called one-to-one mapping. We can plot this on a graph as follows, where set A represents the x coordinates and set B represents the y coordinates. So this would be y equals x plus 5. That would give us a straight line. This is the mathematical relationship of these two sets. Here we can also see that for every value of x, we have only one corresponding value of y. Now let's take these two sets C and D. Notice that the elements -1 and 1 are mapped to the same element 1 of set D. Also, -2 and 2 are mapped to the same element 4 of set D. This type of mapping is known as many-to-one mapping. You may have also noticed that the set D is the square of the set C. The square of -2 is 4, and the square of 2 is also 4. The square of 3 is 9. So there exists a mathematical relationship between these two sets. So in general, a relationship where each element of set X is mapped to exactly one element of set Y is known as a function. So we say the function f maps x into y. This is written as fx equals y. So many-to-one and one-to-one relationships are functions. So for the above example, we could say y equals fx equals x squared, where x represents the elements in set C and y represents the elements in set D. A function f is defined for certain values of x only. This set of values of x is called the domain of the function f. In the above example, the domain of f is the set C, that is -2, -1, 1, 2 and 3. The set of values of fx for a given domain is called the range of f. So in the above example, the range of the function f are all the values that the elements are mapped to in the set D, that is 1, 4 and 9. The codomain refers to the values that could possibly come out of the function. In other words, all the elements of the set D, including the unmapped elements. So the codomain would be 1, 4, 9 and also 16. Now for the tip of the day. When you are given a question to identify a function through a mapping diagram, first check whether every element of set 1 is mapped to only one element of set 2. Then check whether there is a mathematical relationship between the two sets. If so, then you can confirm that it is a function. Please see the link in the description below for the exercises on this topic. Attempt the questions and check your answers before moving on to the next topic, algebraic operations on functions. With that, we wrap up this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, and share this video to your friends or to anyone who will benefit from this video. If you have any questions or any topic that you find difficult to understand, please ask us in the comments below. We are always ready to help you. Until then, take care.